Hi there. My wife and I, just finished the Netflix series Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt. Looks like, came out in 2019 and it's 4 seasons long. It's basically a woman is imprisoned as a teenager for 15 years by a cult leader in an underground bunker. So this is her story after she gets out of the bunker. It is, I think, 20 or 30-minute episodes. There are 4 seasons. How long are the episodes? There's about 12, 13 episodes per season on this. I wasn't sure if I was going to like this or not, but I wound up really enjoying the first 2 seasons. I really enjoyed a lot. The 3rd season started to feel a little bit like it was getting old, and I don't know. The 3rd season I just didn't enjoy as much as the first 2 seasons, and the 4th season unfortunately I was pretty disappointed in the 4th season. I didn't enjoy the 4th season very much at all comparative to the first 2 seasons. The final episode I actually did enjoy. I felt like they did a decent job wrapping things up for the show, and kind of, putting a pin on it, not putting a pin in it because they're not coming back to it, but finishing it up and just kind of clearing up everything and tying everything in a neat little bow. I would recommend this to those who are looking for a half an hour comedy. It's a bit snarky. There's a lot of sarcasm. There's a lot of adult humor. A lot of intense topics. And definitely some, politically incorrect moments. But yeah, I would recommend it. It's not a series that I would watch again. But first time through, I thought, it was entertaining. It definitely gave us stuff to watch for a bit. And I'll look and see if I can find the trailer to this show. If I can, I will put it in a pin below. If you've seen Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt, let me know what you thought of it. Do you agree with me on how you thought the seasons went, or am I completely off base? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.